relax that chin up. Oh, that's it. Okay. Good. Heavy breathe in. And relax that. Breathe out. Good. Good. Okay. Let's heavy breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Good. Okay, I like those reactions. Okay, relax that shoulder. Good. Oh. Good. Better videos? Why? Let's have you breathe in and breathe out. Chin, this side, and chin up, just relax that. Bring it up a little bit. Relax that. Okay, and relax that chin up. Okay. Okay, let's have you breathe in and breathe out. Good. Good. One more time, have you breathe in and breathe out. Good. Good. Have you breathe in and out. Good. Relax that. And breathe out. Relax that. Bring it down. Good. Good. Okay. Good.
My wife next door, and
so he's the cameraman and the cat curator. Relax it. Chin up. One more time on this side. Relax that. Good. Chin up. Okay, good. Alright. So that's kind of normal. But there's people who are definitely scared of him. Breathe in and out. Good. Good. Okay. Was it your patient that was? I think if she's in an environment she doesn't know, she's always going to be good. Breathe in and breathe out. Because I remember, like, I'm hearing cat noises. This is where we had swats. Where are the cat noises coming from? Good. You breathe in and out. Good. Breathe in and out. Good. Okay. So have you breathe in and breathe out. As you hear the cat in the background. Good. So you breathe in and breathe out. Good. And breathe in and out. Good. 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 You breathe in and breathe out. Good. Good. Okay. So you slide down. Okay. And then relax that. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Good. Swazi. I hear voices. Let's heavy breathe in and breathe out. Relax that. Good. Okay, let's try without this one. Okay. Heavy breathe in and breathe out. Good. Okay. Heavy breathe in and out. Good. Breathe in and out. Good. Okay. So heavy breathe in and breathe out.